Hey everybody, today we're going to look at Gator, a pretty new addition to the Thomas & Friends Trackmaster series. This is Gator. You can see he's featured on the DVD, Tale of the Brave, the movie. That's Gator. See, that's Gator. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop Gator open. And we're going to see about changing his battery. So first we got to get him off this box. And then we'll open him up. Okay, you can see after cutting these ends, opening both ends up, I'm able to flip this down, flip it open. And to take Gator out, I just got to remove these two pins. One pin, two pin, and Gator's out. So now you know what those holes are for. So now we're going to put a battery in Gator, make sure he works. So let's get our screwdriver. And here's the screw we're going to use. It has the arrows on it. We're going to ignore these other screws. They have a triangle or a triangle screwdriver. So we're just going to loosen this one up. When you hear it click like that, you know you went far enough. Now we can lift it off. Alright, and we see Gator takes 2 AAA batteries. So let's see if I got a couple AAAs around here. And okay, so we got a couple AAA batteries. Negative side against the spring, positive side to the front. Negative to the spring. Make sure it works. Nice and quiet. Okay. Now we got to put this back on. Make sure your handle gets through. Oh yeah, I like Gator. He's nice and quiet. There we have it. Trackmaster Gator. These are a great way to get your kids and your grandkids into model trains. I recommend it for anybody. Get these for your grandkids, get these for your kids. They're pretty cool. This Gator comes with 3 trains. And what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to put these pins back if the batteries are in it. So we're going to leave them out. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Trackmaster Gator.